toast. It looks like it's crazy. And I'm just gonna squish it. It's okay. It smells pretty good too. It's like this normal smell, but some of them smell really good. This is like, I don't know. It's like a pirate. I'm just gonna squish it. This one's strong smelling, so it's good. This one's not, I mean, yeah, it's squishy, but like it's not that bad slow rising. I think it's a mushroom. It smells pretty good. It's really soft. It's like a smiley face. And I'll turn the camera around so you can see the squishing part. So it smells pretty good. That's a smiley face. Next up is this other toast. So it's like twins with this. I like how that like kind of connects. This one, and it's like a smiley face. And I like how it's crooked. It's like a really weird toast. Sorry for my dogs in the background.
Be quiet!
This mini panda, I already have one of these. I actually got 2 of these, but then I gave this one away. So now it's like I didn't give it away. It smells really good. There's this, I don't even know what this is. I think it's like a cat. It's not really slow rising. It smells okay. It's one of my favorites because of the look. There's like sprinkles on it, and it's a heart. Oh, and there's whatever that is on the back. It's like the ones you get at Giant Tiger. It's not really that squishy, but it's cute. One of my favorites is this watermelon. It's not the most slow rising, but like it's a watermelon. It's so cute. So, and last but not least, my favorite one, the medium panda. It's one of my most slow rising squishies. It's super cute. I love it. And this one smells great. So, yeah, it's a complete mess everywhere. There's like packages, and I keep these just in case like I need to package them or something. I don't keep all of them, but I keep like some of them. And I still want to keep, and this is so cute. This is like must have or cute on it, and a must have. And this one's super cute. The squishies on it. And then caution, the product is not food, please do not eat. And I got it from Shangli. Children under 6. So like children under 6 and under cannot use these squishies because like you could eat them or something. I think they're food, like yummy pink toast. Or like fish. Or donut. Stop. Oh, watermelon. No worries, it didn't touch my mouth, but they're super cute. Like, super cute. I love them. I'm gonna put some of mine in here. I'm gonna reuse it because it came with these rubber bands. Because it's super cute. I'm just gonna put like summer ones that I would play with. It's a cute one. I'd definitely play with the pens. I think I would definitely play with. Smiley face always makes me smile. Definitely this one. Too many. Panda. Watermelon. Croissant. Mini panda. Smiley face. Toast. Everyone needs a laughing toast. Like, they're all so cute. I wish I could take them all. Oh, this one's so cute. Like, I can't like read it. Why can't I can put some in? I think that's it. Like, everyone in here I definitely play with. Then my grandma's, I guess. The other ones in here. I have a bag with all my other squishes in it, but this is just a good way to store them. And really bad. Oh, I'm gonna double it because you never know. For this one, oh no, smart face. I feel like the happy ones because like, why not? And like those are happy too, but like I just like feel a vibe with these ones. Not that I didn't feel a vibe for you, just like. Fall out. There's no top. No, I should have figured this out. The top's gonna fall out. Okay, I love them. I'm gonna put these away. But thank you for watching my video, and if you got to the end, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna give you a challenge. Try to like with your nose. For some reason, it was kind of hard for me, but just try, okay? So I hope you guys have a nice day. Ciao.